what are you doing? Taking a shit?
No, I'm watching the snake for Steven.
What the fuck is that? Is that a ball python?
It's a $6 rat and a snake.
A $6 rat and a snake. Is the snake alive? Hello.
Yes.
You alive, mister? Hey, how you doing?
Hey, let's put Annabelle in there.
Let's see if we put Chihuahua in there. See what happens.
I'm just kidding.
Put it in there.
No.
What the fuck? Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
That dog ain't big enough.
No, don't, dude.
Why?
That's a fucking $6 rat, dude. Are you kidding me?
Oh no, he's not eating the rat. I wanted to see if the snake eats the dog.
I'm not gonna eat the dog.
How do you know? Put it in there. He ain't eating the rat. He might eat the dog. The rat dog. Come on, move.
Yeah, hear that? What?
What's your name, dude?
What?
What's your name? Where'd he go? Where's his head?
On your hand.
There's his tail.
Side.
Oh, there he is. What's your name, dude?
It's gonna go in your jacket.
Oh, he just recognized me. You know, crazy. Alright, get down. I know you guys can bite. Alright, go eat your fucking dead rat, jackass. There you go.